NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft, which traveled to the rubbly asteroid Bennu to successfully capture a sample, snapped this image en route to its deeper space destination. In this black-and-white photo, Earth and the Moon are about 250,000 miles apart. Unlike most space exploration robots, OSIRIS-REx will return back home to drop its precious asteroid sample into Earth's atmosphere. From there, the sample will plummet to the surface. NASA's Spirit rover, which explored the Martian surface for 6 years and found evidence of a once watery planet, snapped this historic image in 2004. "This is the first image ever taken of Earth from the surface of a planet beyond the Moon," wrote NASA. "You can see the rolling Martian hills below and a relatively faint Earth high in Mars' atmosphere. Here on Earth, with the unaided eye, Mars looks like a bright red dot in the sky to us Earthlings." Zooming past Earth. En route to Jupiter in 2013, NASA's Juno spacecraft swung around Earth to pick up speed, a strategy known as a gravity assist. Meanwhile, a camera aboard the craft captured views of Juno approaching Earth and the Moon, beginning from 600,000 miles away. The result was an intriguing, low-resolution glimpse of what our world would look like to a visitor from afar, NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory wrote. By 2016, Juno arrived at the king of the planets, hundreds of millions of miles beyond Earth, the vista from glorious Saturn. In 2013, NASA's Cassini spacecraft snapped an exceptional view of our vivid blue planet beyond Saturn's glorious rings. At a distance of just under 900 million miles, Earth shines bright among the many stars in the sky, distinguished by its bluish tint, NASA writes. Earth's rich blue color, clearly visible throughout much of the solar system, comes from sunlight scattered in our planet's atmosphere. The blue wavelength of light is short and choppy, allowing atmospheric molecules to scatter it around, creating a blue sky. Perhaps the most poignant picture of Earth is also the smallest view of Earth. Over 3 decades ago, NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft, which has journeyed deeper into space than any other mission, captured this image from a whopping 3.8 billion miles away. The planet occupies less than a single pixel in the image and thus is not fully resolved, NASA explains. Making the shot especially glorious is a ray of sunlight fortuitously intersecting our planet. The great astronomer and thinker Carl Sagan suggested Voyager take the image before NASA shut down the camera to save energy. The vista didn't disappoint. As Sagan wrote, "Look again at that dot. That's here. That's home. That's us. On it everyone you love, everyone you know, everyone you ever heard of, every human being who ever was, lived out their lives. The aggregate of our joy and suffering, thousands of confident religions, ideologies, and economic doctrines, every hunter and forager, every hero and coward, every creator and destroyer of civilization, every king and peasant, every young couple in love, every mother and father, hopeful child, inventor, and explorer, every teacher of morals, every corrupt politician, every superstar, every supreme leader, every saint and sinner in the history of our species lived there, on a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam.